G'day Radio New Zealand Country Life fans, I'm Dana from Piwakawaka Valley and I'm going to give you a quick tour around our farm. We live on 10 acres just south of Dunedin. We love the homesteading lifestyle. This self-sufficiency thing, we got into it by accident. We were just looking for a small section, end up with a big section, but here we all are and we have quite a few animals here, so I'll show you around. This is our food forest area, and in here we have some kunekune pigs who are digging up the ground like no tomorrow. These rabbits are our newest addition. This is our brooder house with some of our little chicks in it. We have an incubator that we hatch chicks from quite regularly, so we had 50 hatched just a few days ago. We've got about 9 different breeds of chickens. We do sell fertile eggs, we also raise chicks, and then we also sell free range eggs as well. In here is the vegetable garden where all the magic happens. We raise most of our own vegetables, and hopefully one day our orchard and our food forest will also provide most of our fruit.